Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Antitrust laws are crucial for maintaining fair market competition. We need to identify which specific action listed here actually violates these legal regulations right now. Antitrust laws are specifically designed to promote competition and prevent monopolies from forming. We must look for an action that unfairly restricts other businesses from competing in the open market. Engaging in collusive behavior, such as price fixing or secret agreements between firms, directly undermines the competitive process. This behavior is a clear and major violation of federal antitrust statutes. Advertising and earning profits are legal activities. However, restraining competition through collusion makes option D the only correct choice for this specific problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of collusion, trust given facts, and check steps carefully.